This is Pixi Skintreats Rose Oil Blend. Rose oil blend is infused with a powerful complex of youth preserving oils to improve skin's elasticity and glow. Suitable for all skin types. It made with sweet almond, jojoba, pomegranate seed and rose geranium oils. It has so many benefits. It boosts skin's natural radiance.
It's a rich source of botanical oils and vitamin E that helps preserve and nourish the skin. It's good for all skin types. So the way that you use it, right, you use it both AM and PM daily. You're going to wash your face first. You're going to make sure it's well hydrated. And then you're just going to put 2 to 3 drops on your face, right? And if you want extra hydration, then you're going to add 2 to 3 drops to your moisturizer before you put it on. So we like to use it twice a day.
The Pixi Rose Oil blend is made with a mix of rose oils that restore, hydrates, level skin. Also, this is a nourishing oil. Pixi Skintreats Rose Oil Blend is one of essential oil for our face. It's really helpful to rejuvenation for our skin. This oil also may use for nighttime routine.